Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's vlog, I'm gonna tell you about the hidden gem of Uttarakhand, that is Nelang Valley. Located on the Indo-China border at a height of over 11,000 feet above the sea level. Unfortunately, the valley was closed for civilians after the 1962 Sino-Indian border conflict. But now, after more than 50 years, tourists can get a chance to enjoy the beauty of the valley. I must tell you guys that this place has a fascinating history. There's even an existing intricate wooden bridge named Gartangalayan, which was used for trade between the countries. As you can see in the video, the bridge on the mountain, yes, that's the Gartangalayan bridge. The first thing you'll need to visit this valley is a permit, and the permit process is an absolute struggle. So be sure to take out 5 to 6 hours in your schedule, especially for getting the permit. So the first place you'll need to visit to get a permit is Sub-Divisional Magistrate Office, which is in Uttarkashi. After that, you have to head to the Forest Office in Kot Bangla, which is around 2 km uphill from Uttarkashi. And now the third place, that's District Thana, and you have to go to the local intelligence unit. So finally, in the end, after all the paperwork, you have to submit those documents to the PA of District Magistrate, and then he'll get it signed by the SDM and hand over you the happiness, your permit to visit the mini Ladakh of Uttarakhand. So friends, as you can see in the video, me and my friend Piyush are on the way to Nelang Valley, and we are in a taxi which we hired from Uttarkashi for around 5,000 bucks. And the reason behind hiring a taxi is that two-wheelers are not allowed inside the valley. Only four-wheelers are allowed, and that too with 4 occupants only. So I suggest you to book your cab in advance to save your time. And now the new adventure was waiting for me and Piyush, but we both were not at all ready for it. As you can see in the video, the landslide became the first obstacle in our way. So we can't go in the taxi which we hired for 5,000 bucks from Uttarkashi. As you can see, there are big stones on the road, both the roads. And right now, me and Piyush were totally blank. We both didn't knew at all what we gonna do. So we decided to walk a little further to know more about the situation. And now, after walking for half a kilometer, we came across the construction workers, and they told us that the valley is 8 kilometers from here. As you can see in the video, I am pointing to that mountain where the valley is situated. And we even asked them about the truck for a lift till valley, but they told us that the driver is not here, so we have to walk. Now the Nelang is only 2 kilometers far from us, and at this point we realized that we did a big mistake. We didn't bring our permit with us. The permit is in the car, which is 6 to 7 kilometers from here. So now we are without permit, without food, without water, but most important thing which we have right now is hope. Hope that the commander of the post will allow us to enter the valley with the letter from SDM. That's the only thing which we were carrying with us. The other documents were in the car, and we are not at all ready to go all the way down and bring the permit. So we just hope for the best and started walking for another 2 kilometers to reach our destination. Now, while walking towards our destination, we came across the abandoned army bunker of 1962 Indo-China war, and we were very curious to see inside of an army bunker. So I went inside. As you can see in the video, this is how an army bunker looks like. And now we were almost there. as we can even see the checkpost from here. The green color checkpost is right in front of us, just several meters away. And there's another thing, the 7 Red Devil is written on the mountain, and this depicts the Indian Army Parachute Regiment, aka Red Devils. So we were quite excited as we are about to reach the checkpost, and we just have to ask the commander to give us the permission to visit the valley. So finally after walking for almost 8 to 8.5 kilometers, we reached the checkpost. But still we have to walk 200 meters as it is written on the board right there. As you can see in the video, I'm pointing towards it. But we were so exhausted right now as we didn't have any food, any water for almost past 3 to 4 hours. As you can see in the video, I'm pointing towards the Nala which was flowing right there. The water was crystal clear and we even drank that water because we don't have any water bottle with us and no food because we forgot all our things in the car. And right now I'm showing you the valley, and they call it the mini Ladakh of Uttarakhand. And once you reach there, आपको पता लग जाएगा कि उसे क्यों कहा जाता है मिनी लद्दाख. And we even saw a beautiful dark blue water river flowing beneath us, as you can see in the video right there. The water was so clear as you can see in the video. It's dark blue. The water of the river is shared by China and India. Permission मिल गई है और हम जा रहे हैं कैंटीन में कुछ खाने. सर का नेचर बहुत ही अच्छा था और इस टाइम शायद अच्छे मूड में थे जो परमिशन दे दी हमें. अदरवाइज हमारे पास पेपर सिर्फ एक था जो SDM की लेटर थी, उसके अलावा और कोई कागज़ नहीं था. उन्होंने हमें अलाउ कर दिया और मिनी लद्दाख में एंटर हो चुके हैं हम. फ्यूचर में जगह बहुत ही अच्छी है ये. अगर तुम्हारे पास गाड़ी है तो पैदल है तो जगह बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं है. अब बस कैंटीन में कुछ खाने जा रहे हैं हम. कैंटीन में कुछ मिलेगा खाने का क्योंकि हमने रास्ते में ना पानी पिया है ना कुछ खाया. सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया और टाइम हो रहा है 12 बज गए हैं ना, 12 बज चुके हैं. कोई ये रिमेंबर रहेगा. इस टाइम हमें ट्रक से लिफ्ट मिली है वरना हम पैदल ही चलने वाले थे. ये वहीं तक जा रहे हैं, हमें कैंटीन तक छोड़ देंगे. भला करे भगवान इनका, हमें नावे ले जाए. बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंड हो रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड. नेलांग वैली से आगे आ गए हम और ये सारी इंडियन आर्मी की कैब्स हमने यहाँ से ली है, यहाँ की जो कैंटीन थी वहाँ से. और बैटरी फ़ोन में 5% रह गई है. ऐसे बन के चल रहे हैं हम. देखो हमारी शक्लें, ये आपको शक्ल भी दिखाई दे रही है मेरी? नहीं दिखाई दे रही ना भाई. इतनी ठंड हो रखी है, ठंड हो रखी है. ओ भाई साहब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड हो रखी है यहाँ पे. ये इंडियन आर्मी की जो कैप है ना, बस ये हम एक अच्छी चीज़ मुझे लग रहा है जो हम खरीद के आए हैं. बाकी तो ठंड इतनी हो रखी है, इतनी जहर ठंड. अच्छा तो सिनेरियो ये था, नेलांग वैली जाने की हमें परमिशन दे दी थी इन्होंने, लेकिन हम वैली तक तो क्या ही करेंगे. हम बस उसके आगे जो दूसरी चेक पोस्ट थी, दूसरी चेक पोस्ट तक गए हैं. और दूसरी चेक पोस्ट के अंदर क्योंकि हमने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया, पीयूष मैंने और जो हमारे साथ भैया आए थे, हमने नमकीन खाई, जलेबी, क्योंकि वहाँ पे नमकीन जलेबी के अलावा कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था. इनफैक्ट चाय तक नहीं मिल रही थी वहाँ पे. और नमकीन जो मिल रही थी मूँग दाल चबा चबा के उसको पानी के साथ गटका. कोई ना पीयूष और मैं जब भी आते हो तो कोई ना कोई हरकत तो हो ही जाती है. कोई ट्रक पे चढ़ के जा रहे हैं हमारी नेलांग वैली लेजेंडरी ट्रिप. So guys, this is the place where 3 soldiers of FD regiment were searching for water and died due to fallen glacier. Today also all soldiers along with the officers never forget to keep a bottle of water on the memorial. So friends, ये कुछ पिक्चर्स है जो मैंने क्लिक करी. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.